In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on existing Wix website. By the end, you'll have a focus page you can use for promotions or email campaigns, all built right inside your current Wix site. First, open your Wix editor and look to the left-hand toolbar. Find the Pages icon, the one that opens your site's page list, and click it to reveal all the pages currently on your site. This is your central hub for managing what visitors can access, so it's the perfect place to begin. Next, choose Add New Page. This tells WYSIWYX you want to create a fresh page without affecting anything that's already live. If you're prompted to name it, pick something clear and goal-oriented so you can recognize it later, like Spring Promo or Webinar Signup. You can always change the name as you refine your content. From the page type options, select Landing Page. Landing pages are designed to keep visitors focused on a single action, such as filling out a form or clicking a call to action button without the distractions of a full site menu. Choosing this keeps the layout streamlined and conversion ready from the start. You'll now see a selection of landing page templates. Browse through and pick one that best matches your objective. If you're collecting leads, look for templates with a strong hero section and a built-in form. If you're announcing a product, aim for a bold headline and a prominent button. Don't worry about colors or images at this stage. You can customize all of that in a moment. Focus on structure and flow. Click in Add Page to create it. Wix will add the new page to your site, and you'll see it appear in your page list. For campaign-specific pages, meme creators prefer to share the direct link rather than adding them to the main menu. You can manage visibility later if needed, but for now, the page is ready to edit. Now, fine-tune it to your liking. Replace the headline with a clear, benefit-driven message, and make sure your primary button stands out and uses action language, like Get Started or Claim Offer. Swap in and brand an images or a short video that supports your message. If your template includes a form, tailor the fields to the minimum you truly need to reduce friction. Keep the layout simple, remove any extra elements that don't support your goal, and maintain consistent fonts and colors with your brand. Finally, check spacing and readability, and review how everything looks on mobile to ensure the call to action is visible without extra scrolling. That's it. Your landing page is created, structured for focus, and customized for results.